And the thing about the Yeezy creams, like this morning, I was eating the shrimp burrito, right? And I spilled like a little bit of shrimp juice on the creams, man. I was like, damn. So I took like a baby wipe to them, and then I took like some soap and water and took a rag, and then I went over with that little like suede eraser joint, and they came out clean. But
Yo, what's going on, guys? And that's a true story too. Like, I was trying to be cute and go to the burrito store real quick, and I was like, let me throw these 700 creams on real quick, and I was trying to be fly and all that. And I got home, and the first bite I took, it was like squeak, and some shrimp juice. That's when I said shrimp juice. Some juice fell on the sneaker on the left one. I was like, man. And I didn't notice for like 10, 20 minutes either, so it kind of settled in. I had to go clean them up, and the rest is history. But so if you got brand new shoes on and you're in the kitchen and there's some cooking going on, like some mama's cooking, I would take your shoes off, because I had a pair of what are those things called? Those Union 4s. That happened to my Union 4s before, and I was like, dang. Those came out clean too. But I've also reviewed several pairs of 700s, only in this like wave runner style though. And if you haven't seen those videos, go check them out. Only in this style. I've never had a pair of V2s, nor UA, nor retail. And just so you know, this is a UA sneaker. It was gifted for free from somebody in a different country, so it's not a retail sneaker. So there you go. And I don't condone people trying to sell the UA sneakers or whatever they're calling the option B fake UAs. I don't condone people trying to scam other people selling these as retail. That's just bad juju. Don't do that. So we have the hospital blue is what it says up there. And there's other hospital. They like to use this hospital blue color on other shoes. Excuse me. I just don't know what the color hospital blue is. Do they mean like the scrubs that they wear? Like, what is this hospital blue color that we're talking about? Because the hospital that I've been to, there's no blue in sight. But yo, I'm telling you guys right now, I hate Yeezy boxes. As a matter of fact, it's just not Yeezy boxes. It's any box that opens. See, I had to go off camera for this one. It's any box that opens like this. Like, I had to see, and I'm still trying to not like open it all the way, because if that lid comes out the box, it could be a pain getting it back in the box. And I just like to open the top of the box, the shoes there. But these things are dope. So you're probably like, why'd you choose these? Because I don't have a pair, and I was curious, and I love the colorway. It's essentially all hospital blue, even though to me there's like some pops of gray on there somewhere. Or that might just be the 3M or reflective. I don't know if that's actually 3M. It's some kind of reflective material on it. First thing I go to is the toe box. You got to make sure the toe box has that wave runner-esque look to it. Bottoms are black. It's got boost in these shoes, which I do love. And spoiler alert, these actually do fit better than the cream V2s I'm talking about. I don't know what it is. They're just softer. The boost feels more responsive. They did come from a different gifter, but that just kind of gives you some insight. There are different batches of these. They do feel different. So I have two pairs of V2s. They both feel different. And let's go inside. Let's take it to insole. That's that Ortholite inside. I actually really like this insole. I put it in, I low-key put it in like Jordan 1s and stuff like that. It feels a lot better. And we're just looking at some of the materials. They got some suede on there. I think there's some felt on there too. There's some mesh, and these are more plush materials than the creams. Because I was actually really loving the creams more than any V2 until I got this pair. I was like, whoa. So that means there's probably other pairs of the V2s I'm gonna like more than the creams. But underneath the black light, I don't know if those are markings or it's just supposed to look like that. Again, I never had a pair of V2s, but nothing was really lighting up. And I think the black light's more for Jordan. No, it's not for Jordans. It's for Yeezys too, because you got to test the boost. And I do see some purple on the boost, but to me, they feel good. They feel better than the V2 creams, so I'm not sure. But you know, got to keep it a buck.
And see, that's the thing. I have like 8 other pairs of shoes to freaking review. It's like getting crazy. It's gonna come out when it comes out. You know what I mean? Like, I can't do like.
Nah, man, you got this. You can do whatever you want to do.
Right. I can't do like 10 videos in one day. I still have a full-time job.
Bro, you gotta stick with it. What you gonna do? Quit?
And what more can I do?
You gotta keep going. What you mean? What more?
Just make shoe videos at the end of the day. Yeah, you're right.
I know
you're right.
Dude.
I mean,
That's why you
I'm gonna
called
have to do my on foot. like at
We'll
work.
do it then.
Yeah, I appreciate that though. I appreciate
You know I'm
that
gonna hold
though.
you down,
Okay.
baby. Why you acting like that?
Yeah, let me break off real quick. I'm gonna see what I can come up with. Okay.
All right, man. Just get at me later. Get that on foot done.
All right, man. I appreciate
All right,
you.
man. Peace.
Gotta get this on feed. Gotta get this on feed done real quick. Where am I gonna do it? Why are the views so low on this video right here? YouTube, man, ain't no joke, man. I'm telling you, YouTube's no joke. This. Can they see that? Can they see that? Like this. Dang. And I'm on low battery too, man. The shoe video stuff might not be for me, man. I might have to hang it up, man. I don't know, cause on foot. Unboxing, on foot, unboxing. It's like, what are we doing? How many shoes do you need? You only got 2 feet. There's something out. That's what I got. Something. Okay. Let's see. Okay.